Hi guys, welcome back. Before we talk about makeup, go check out my merch. It is linked in the description box down below. I said I was going to use the Melt Radioactive Stack, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Look at these colours. Aren't they just the most amazing thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Today's look, we're going green and pink. We're going Cosmo and Wanda on this look today. I will at a later date use the orange and the yellow because these are absolutely outstanding. I might use the yellow in my inner corner. I might not. We'll see. Really excited. The second I saw these, I was like, Cosmo and Wanda, I have to make this happen. So before I do makeup, I'm gonna do skincare. I know I say this in every video, but my skin is so dry. It is parched. Like, my hairline is literally peeling off. My lips feel like they're falling off my face, and my face is tight. It always happens around this time of year, and I always go on the hunt for really nourishing moisturizing products. Now, you will have seen me talk about this in a previous video. This is the It's Skin Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Emulsion. Now, It's Skin reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their range, and I was like, yeah, amazing, great. So I've been trying the hyaluronic acid range. They also have got a collagen range, which I've got here. I've tried it a couple of times. My skin is more catered to the hyaluronic acid stuff, but the collagen one is more for firming of the skin, maintaining the moisture, building elasticity. So I think I would recommend the collagen range to a slightly more mature skin than mine. At the moment, I'm just trying to pump it with moisture. So I'm sure you guys know that hyaluronic acid is extremely moisturizing, and it actually helps your skin to absorb moisture better. Here I've got the moisture toner. So I just put like a few dots literally on my hands, and then I just pat this into my skin. And this is so thin. I think that's what I like the most about these products, is that I can apply them right before I put my makeup on. I don't have to sit and wait for them to sink in, but it's just such a it just, you know when you can just feel your skin like drinking something up? Oh, it's so good. It literally sinks in instantly. Like, my skin does not feel sticky at all. That is the toner, and then the moisture emulsion is what you guys have seen me use before. I have been trying this out for a couple of weeks now, because I always like to try things out before I, you know, talk about them with you guys. But oh my goodness, I can't describe how thin this is. So once you apply it, it just feels like you're rubbing water onto your skin. So this has blueberry in it, which is full of antioxidants, which is also incredible for your skin. My face does not feel sticky, it doesn't feel tacky, it just feels so moisturized. I honestly really love this stuff, and I'd never heard of the brand It's Skin before. So when they reached out to me and they were like, we'd love to work with you, I was like, well, let me just try your products, see what I think. I tried them out and I'm so impressed. I love the feeling of these on my skin. Obviously, these are glass bottles, so they aren't the most travel friendly. That is the one downside I would give, but I often depot my like products into little travel pots anyway. I will link them down below if you want to try them out. And then on my lips, I'm going to use the Manuka Doctor lip oil. I got sent this a while ago, and oh my goodness, my lips are so sore at the moment, but that just feels like amazing. Okay, I am gonna start with Benefits Ka-Brow. I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I'm just gonna whack on a brow quick. You know the drill with this by now. I use Benefit Ka-Brow. We're just having a bit of a bad brow day, okay? So that's just how it is today. So you guys, I'm not 100% sure when this video is going live. I always find these pre-filmed videos quite tricky because I never know what's happened like in real time. By now my mugs have launched. That's really exciting. Obviously, I'm buzzing about it, but I don't know what your response is. I don't know whether you like them, whether I've sold them, because at the moment my house is a warehouse. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I love this so much, especially if I'm doing a really colourful look, because it's really pale on my skin and it just It's almost like applying like a white base, but obviously it's not white, so it's not as harsh. I've been excited to film this look for so long, but I've just been struggling to find the time. Let's get on with what we're here for. This is the Melt Radioactive Stack, and like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna do Cosmo and Wanda, one eye pink and one eye green, because that is how I'm feeling. It's what I want to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. Right, this is called Xenon. The one thing that's turning me off of Xenon is it's got a slight shimmer to it, but that's okay. I'm just going to go in with this and I'm gonna buff this into my crease. This is literally the only color that's going on my eye. So just start in the crease, blend it away, and then we're gonna pack it onto the lid. And then you wanna pack it also just on the lid. Just keep packing it on. Going in with a flat brush, pack that on the lid. This is a colour and a half. And then on the other eye, we're gonna go in with Radioactive and do the exact same thing. Yes, Radioactive. This colour's insane. Pouncing it and then buffing. We're literally buffing this as far up as you can go. And then once the crease is done, you pack on the lid. Guys, these Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows are just insane. Now for wing liner, we just want to do a big old wing. For mascara, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Smoky Lash. This mascara is the best mascara I've ever tried. It's horrifically messy, I won't lie. Like, I will get this on my lid. I just will. I always do. Normally my lid is just like covered in black dots after I use this. I'm going to go in with my By Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. You know the drill. I've been trying to use different products in my videos recently. Trying to mix things up. So I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror right now. But I always just miss this. And then I'm going to use my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, which I love so much. Because I've been using so many different products, I'm just like, get all my favourites on my face now. So good. Your skin just looks... Oh guys, I think this video must also be going up after my birthday. So many exciting things are to come for me. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I'm in the shade 4.0. It looks really light when you first put it on and then it adjusts. I just want full coverage. This look will come together once the base is on. Like obviously at the moment it just looks straight up weird. Who used to watch Fairly Odd Parents? Let me know down below, because I feel like I keep referring to this look as like Cosmo and Wanda, and like actually some of you might be too young to even know who Cosmo and Wanda are. Oh god, no. Is Fairly Odd Parents still going? I don't think it is. It's about a little boy who had two fairies who lived with him, and one of them had pink hair and one of them had green hair. So if you used to watch that, let me know down below. Also let me know if you could sing the whole theme song, because I could. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and cover up my breakouts. Since I turned 21, my skin's probably been the worst it's ever been. Why does this happen? Born This Way in Toffee. I'm then going in with almond under the eye. I want to do a really highlighted under eye to really let the colours pop. Leave a comment down below. What was your favourite show growing up? I wouldn't say Fairly Odd Parents was my favourite. I really liked it. I'm trying to think, what was my favourite show? Honestly, when I was younger, I watched a lot of documentaries. I loved Steve Irwin. R.I.P. But like cartoons and stuff, I loved SpongeBob. I loved the Powerpuff Girls. Oh, I'd love to do some looks inspired by the Powerpuff Girls. That would be fun. Let me know if you'd like to see those. Maybe this could be the beginning of a series. Looks inspired by my favourite cartoons when I was a kid. Should I make this a series? Have I just decided this? Honestly, I was just inspired by these colours, but that's actually a really good idea. I'm going to take my Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder. This is so good. I remembered it when I did everything under £10 the other day. While that bakes, I'm gonna throw on some lashes and then we will finish the face. I feel like if you weren't getting the vibes before, you're kind of seeing where I'm coming from now. It's coming together, right? Okay, on the lower lash line, I'm actually, should I reverse it? Let's reverse it. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm literally doing the softest little bit of green just to like symbolize their like relationship, you know, their unity. I just did the reverse on the bottom lash line and put a little bit of mascara, and I think the eyes are done. I'm just gonna take a super light matte eyeshadow. So this is Tempera from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. I can't wait to move just so that my makeup is organized. That is all I want. At the moment, I'm living out of makeup bags. It's driving me insane. I'm gonna contour my nose using Hoola, obviously. Just softly. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Bronzer. Just a little bit. We're not going to go overboard. We are not going to go overboard. For blush, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie. This is NARS Orgasm. I love this blush. I've rediscovered it recently. It's just so good. I wanna tie in the pink in the eye, but I don't want it to distract from the lid. And obviously if I pull more pink, I don't want the green to get lost. So I just want a little touch of like a peachy pink. So I just answered the door to a delivery guy. He was a very sweet guy and he complimented my eyes. He said he likes my eyes, so thanks. So do I. I'm obsessed with this look. I'm gonna give myself a blinding highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters, Doll Beauty, and this is in Shine Bright and Like a Diamond. I'm gonna mix the two together. I think I wanna go just really concentrated, just here, because this is the only element of shimmer on the face. A little bit of just Shine Bright, I think, the darker one. And I'm gonna do my current absolute favorite lip combination. So Pure Cosmetics, I'm not sure the name of this, but any nude liner. We're going for a really pale nude. And then at the moment, this is the lip combination for me. It is Maybelline Matte Ink in Driver and Jeffree Star in I Am Nude. So I apply Driver to the whole lip. This is nearly gone. And then I just pop I'm Nude in the center. It makes it a little bit more pink and the look is done. Ta-da! Look at these eyeshadows. Oh. This is one of my favorite looks I think I've ever done in my life. So guys, here is the completed look. Inspired by Cosmo and WANDA. I love the Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows. I actually just ordered loads more because they've added like new stacks onto Beauty Bay. So I literally just placed an order. Getting some more. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what your favourite cartoon was when you were a kid and I might recreate it. Let me know if you want me to make this a series. If you do, I would love that. So let me know. And if you do want me to make it a series, then leave your recommendations of which cartoons you want me to do. Let me know down below what you want to see. And I will link its skin also down below if you want to try them out. So thank you so much for watching. Every item I've used is linked down below in the order that they are used. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this. Have the best day and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.